AB, what's the number one thing I want to do when I'm off from work?
Eat ice cream on the couch in an old t-shirt?
No, the other thing.
Eat ice cream somewhere else in an old t-shirt?
No, what do I usually do when I eat ice cream?
Oh, watch videos.
Exactly. And what do your customers like to do?
Oh, I get it. Watch videos?
Exactly. Hopefully with a bowl of ice cream. Okay, Internet, I'm Chad from HubSpot Run, a team of Platinum HubSpot partners. And today, as you may have guessed it, we're going to go over one best HubSpot practice that will help you have better sales relationships. Video. And we're going to show you a light speed way on how to send personalized videos to your leads. First of all, have you heard of Vidyard? Vidyard is free. It's well integrated with HubSpot, and I have a Google extension I use for it all the time. There you can record your videos using a screen capture, you can add titles for yourself, and trim out certain sections of the video that you don't want. But video doesn't you no good if no one watches it. And yes, that's a double negative. That's how bad it is. Here's how to make your video seen by your customer. First of all, navigate to your contact record by going to Contacts and then Contacts. Simple, right? Let's search for a contact we want to reach out to directly. Here, I'm going to send an email to this contact with a personalized touch. To make this process more seamless, I'm going to put in here a snippet which contains the intro to our email.
Hey, if you haven't watched our video on 5 HubSpot CRM automations that will save you time, you should go do that now because it talks about snippets, if you don't know what that is, and it'll save you like almost 7 hours a week. And that's documented. That's not even a fake statistic. So I'm just saying, you could watch that.
Statistically speaking, you interrupt me at least 5 times every video. I'll add here the appropriate information, and then let's add our video. All you have to do is click on Insert at the bottom of the email here, and then Video. For me, since I'm already signed in, Vidyard auto-populates my account with the options to choose an existing video or to film a new one. You may have to connect your Vidyard account, but it's a very simple process. Once you have added the personalized video you would like for your prospect to watch, we would recommend adding some finishing touches to the email. For example, we've seen that emails with titles such as, "I've made this video for you," or "video in this email for you," have drastically higher open rates, and people actually watch them. This is just one example of the many ways to warm up your leads and create a deep personal connection with an otherwise cold contact.
If you're thinking, wow, I do not do this, then maybe you should talk to our team. We have this really cool thing called a Warm Leads Audit. All we're going to do is talk to you in a free half hour, hear about what it is you're doing in your sales process. How are you getting your leads? Are they qualified? How are you warming them up? And then we're going to give you really clear next steps on how you can change that process up for better qualified leads and for warmer connections. So go ahead and click the link in the description below. We want to help you out for free.
And that's it. Subscribe for more videos because we learned today that customers like videos. And if you like videos, we have videos. And we have tons of videos. And they're all everywhere. They're on YouTube. They're on our site. You can watch all of them. Just watch them. Watch the videos. Do it now.